he was there, well, I had asked him about Schaeffer Cox, and he had told me that Schaeffer Cox was a guy that lived there locally in Fairbanks. He told me that Schaeffer Cox, in his opinion, was crazy, and was currently going through some issues with OCS. He said that Schaeffer Cox, it looked like, was going to lose his son because he hadn't been participating with either a hearing or something to do with OCS. I don't know all the details with that. And his exact words were that with some of the issues that have been going on with Schaeffer Cox, that the OCS issue actually may resolve the problem that they had, because he could, and so the U.S. Marshal said, based off of that statement, that when OCS would go to Schaeffer Cox's house to get his son, law enforcement would be present. He also stated that they believed, based off of his statement, that Schaeffer Cox would probably use force to prevent them from taking his child, and that if he did so, then he would most likely be shot and killed in this scenario. That was basically, I gave him the disc and federal marshal up.
What did you mean by he said that it would fix the problem?
I don't know what the problem was.
Okay. That the shootout would fix the problem?
Objection calls for speculation.
Okay. What was it that you thought he was referring to when he said fix the problem? You may not know the problem, but what was he referring to when he said fix the problem?
Whatever the problem was with Schaeffer Cox, if he was killed with OCS attempting to take his son, then obviously anything that had to do with him wouldn't matter anymore.
That the shootout would fix the problem?
Objection calls for speculation.
Okay. What was it that you thought he was referring to when he said fix the problem? You may not know the problem, but what was he referring to when he said fix the problem?
Whatever the problem was with Schaeffer Cox, if he was killed with OCS attempting to take his son, then obviously anything that had to do with him wouldn't matter anymore.